What's up, T gang? So today I'm going to be making shut up. What's up, T gang? So today we're gonna be making Olive Garden chicken pasta in my slow cooker, aka crock pot. So it is 9 o'clock at night and I'm putting this on tonight because I have to open in the morning. So when I get up in the morning, I'm gonna turn it off and then I'm gonna cook the rest. But I seen this on Facebook and they had the ingredients up there. So if y'all looking to feed a family from 6 to 8 people, this is a good meal to make. I also got some, my husband requested some garlic toast, so I got some of that. But apparently to cook this, it takes 4 to 6 hours to cook it or whatever. So we're gonna first start off with the boneless, skinless chicken. And then I'm just gonna open this up. Y'all, if y'all hear that noise, it's just my washer and dryer going on. Like I said, it's 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, this is what it looked like. I'm just gonna rinse them off a little bit. Okay, so I got them rinsed off and I got my slow cooker right here. And I already got it on low. So I'm gonna take my chicken breasts and just lay them at the bottom of the pot. Wash my hands. And if y'all see me looking up, it's because I'm looking at my iPad so I can look at the ingredients of what to do. So it's saying that in a bowl, in a separate bowl, that I need to mix all the ingredients up, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and just pour it in here. And then, yeah. Okay, everything you're going to need is salt and pepper. You're going to need Italian seasoning, oregano leaves, paprika, basil leaves, Parmesan cheese, 2 or 3 boxes of these, depending on how much leftover you want or whatever. And then most importantly, the Olive Garden sauce dressing. So I got the chicken in here. Also, we're going to need the whipping cream, which is right here. So yeah, we're gonna need all these sauces. And yeah, so let's get into it. So what I'm gonna do is put the seasonings on top, and then I'm gonna put the whatever, all the chicken. So first I'm going to use the Italian seasoning. Might as well just use this without the lid on it because it's alright. Sprinkle some Italian seasoning on it. We're gonna do some paprika, parsley, oregano, and then some bay leaves. All is green. Okay, then salt and pepper. Okay, now that all of that is seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and shake this up. Open it. I'm gonna pour this Y'all don't mind me. I just bought everything. Okay, guys. So I already seasoned it. Then I got the chicken broth, and then I got the heavy whipping cream, and then I have the cheesecake. So I don't measure the seasonings, I just throw it in there. But I am gonna have this ingredient list down below, so y'all who want to make it can look at the ingredients and see what y'all want. So I'm gonna pour half of this broth in here with the Italian dressing, and then of course butter. So I'm going to use half of this. It's literally half the bottle. Alright. Shake this up. I'm going to use half of this. But to say you only need 8 ounces of a 16 bottle of that, and then you only need 1/4 cup of butter. So I'm just gonna do a spoonful of butter. Okay, and then you only need 8 ounces of chicken broth, so I'm only gonna do half. Half the chicken broth. So I got all my seasonings in here. I got all of that in there. Okay, then the last thing I need to do is put the cream cheese on top. Put the cream cheese on top. And that's it. We let this cook for 4 hours. And then we come back and we do the rest. So I added the Philly cheesecake. This is what it look like. And I'm adding Parmesan all over. And yeah, I'm gonna put the lid on it and be done. Okay guys, so when I woke up, this is how it looks, right? So I'm supposed to take a fork and just shred the chicken as it go. But I did have to stop it a little bit. I just got off work, so I had to stop it, put it in the refrigerator, and then like come back because I didn't want it to be too done and I couldn't finish cooking it all the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to make the noodles, and I'm gonna keep letting this heat up and keep shredding that chicken. All right, so now that I got the chicken pasta shredded up in here and it's like heating up, looking good, y'all. This junk tastes so good. I got my water boiling here, and I'm getting ready to cook Texas roll toast. Texas toast. I can't even talk. So what I'm gonna do is set my thing and let it preheat. I got my aluminum foil right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my toast in there. All right, y'all. So now that it's getting ready to start to come to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt to the water and let that boil, and then I'm gonna come right back. I got 2 boxes just because I might need to add a little bit more water, honestly. Let those boil. Hey y'all, now that my noodles are boiling, I'm gonna let them come to a boil a little bit more. They're like boiling over. Let them come to a boil a little bit more. Now that my noodles is nice and soft, I'm gonna drain them and put them in here. Okay, y'all, now that I got them drained, sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and add these noodles to the pot. I cooked a little bit too much noodles. Hold on, I gotta shut the noodles in. And I got the chicken coming to the top. Yeah, I'm trying to get the meat from the bottom. This is harder than I thought. See all this. Yeah, they got this thing extra buttery now. My husband, he gonna eat all this bread. I know that for a fact. So I'm gonna cook all of them. I had to use a fork to get down deeper into it. I could have shredded the chicken a little bit more, but yeah. So now I'm adding the Parmesan cheese. And yes, it's time to eat.